Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll create our first Gridbox Zero content application. Unlike the blog app, Gridbox Zero lets you build your own content structure from scratch. You decide what information to store, which fields to create, and how your content is displayed. This makes Zero perfect for creating directories, portfolios, team pages, events, products, real estate listings, recipes, and many other types of content. In this tutorial, we'll activate the Zero app, create a new content application, and take a look at the default structure that Gridbox creates for us. Before you can create a custom content application, you need to activate the Zero app. From the Gridbox dashboard, open the Apps section. Find the Zero app and click Publish. Please note that the Zero app is available only with an active Gridbox subscription. Now let's create a content app. Open the Content section. Click Add New Item. From the drop-down list, select Zero app and click Save. Your new content application has now been created. Click the application to open it. Now, let's create our first item and see how a Zero app works. Select the default category and click Add New Item. Enter the page title and click the Next button. As you can see, a new Zero app looks very similar to a standard Joomla article. You have the familiar tiny MCE editor, and the sidebar contains the standard options: General, Publishing, SEO, and Social Sharing. Let's select a featured image and enter some demo text. Save the item and preview it on the front end. As you can see, the page displays the item title, the featured image, and the content we entered in the editor. Now, let's open the item layout and see how this page is built. From the Zero app in the Gridbox Administrator panel, click the Settings icon and select Single Post Layout from the drop-down menu. The default layout contains only two plugins. The first is Post Intro. It displays the basic item information, including the title and featured image. The second, and most important for us in this tutorial, is the Field plugin. By default, it is connected to the text area field with the tiny MCE editor enabled. This plugin displays the editor on the item submission page and outputs its content on the front end. Let's see how easy it is to extend the content structure. Duplicate the Field plugin using the keyboard shortcut. Open its settings. Change the field type to Text. Then enter Demo field as the admin label. Save the layout and open the item submission page. As you can see, a new field called Demo field has appeared. Enter any value, save the item, and preview it on the website. The value is now displayed on the page. This is the core idea behind Gridbox Zero. Every piece of content is powered by fields. You're not limited to a predefined content structure. Instead, you build your own data model by adding exactly the fields you need. This flexibility allows you to create almost any type of content application, such as event directories, real estate listings, portfolios, team directories, product catalogs, and many others. In the next lessons, we'll start building an event application from scratch. We'll create custom fields, design the item layout, build the event listing page, add search and filters, and finally create a front-end submission form so users can submit events themselves. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.